If you want to edit patient data, this is possible in the MB11 application. You can correct typos and add missing information anytime before or after a screening measurement. Also, you can review previous measurements performed with a selected patient. Whenever it is not possible to perform a screening on a patient, but you still want the patient data reflected in the tracking export, you can easily create a could not test entry. This will lead to an entry in the tracking export file saying that a screening measurement could not be performed. If you do not use automatic tracking or need some additional export, the manual tracking export can be performed by opening another window. Here you can select your export format and apply a series of filters to only export the tests you need. You can select the language of the software and can customize the look of your application to your preferences. Also, you can directly install a software update if one is available and you have connection to the internet. Additionally, there are lots of measurement settings where you can customize your measurement workflow. If you want to keep track of test-specific data like screening stage, you can enable them easily. You can adjust the desired impedance criterion, enable an impedance balance criterion, or adjust the artifact rejection value. In the printout settings, you can customize the report header and decide if you want to have measurement details on your printout or only the result.